You're beeping? Is it flashing right? I didn't hear it beep. Oh, yes. Alright, just straight over the lip. You'll be fine. Yeah! Monica, you going over that, or are you coming down here?
Yeah, we want you to go in first.
Alright, well, it's going to be a little bit... Alright, so you stay high. It's a little icy. That's nothing, Monica says. I heard you. That's nothing. I did too. Recording. Alright, so just stay as high up and as much speed. So basically, you see those tracks right there? We're going to probably try to go in there because I want to just do a little bit of dirt. But, go there, stop, pick up your skis, and we're just going to hike up over the hill. Oh, yeah, go in front and I'll get you guys on the cam. No, I'll get you guys on the cam. Go. Well, you're fine. We know where we're going. Huh? I know. Stay high, go left. Does she know where we're going? Oh, fuck. She doesn't pay attention, Chris. Yeah. Oh, maybe she's doing the other one. Which we can still get into it, but, oh, fuck. Alright, we gotta do it again. Come on. Come on, mate. No, she actually did alright because the ropes, she couldn't go by the ropes. So she did the right thing because there were ropes. I don't think we could have gotten in any higher. Yeah, see, it's all roped off.